Hey everyone, this is Bailey with GameLecturn coming to you with a Graahk Nature Runecrafting guide for RuneScape. Your minimum skill requirements are 44 runecrafting and 57 summoning. My recommended equipment for this is a Nature Tiara, an Amulet of Glory with charges, the Rupia top, the Rupia legs, Boots of Lightness, a Ring of Dueling with charges left, a Mithril pickaxe, and a spotted or spottier cape. In your bank, you should have a good stock of Pure Essence, Ring of Duelings 8, Spirit Graahk pouches, and Amulet of Glories fully charged. Your inventory should have the 3 best pouches you could use along with 25 Pure Essence. Also remember to set your familiar's left click option to call follower. From here, interact with your Spirit Graahk and click teleport. Follow my exact path up to the nature altar and craft your nature runes. Don't forget to empty your pouches and craft those as well. Once your nature runes are crafted, use your Ring of Dueling to teleport back to Castle Wards and restock. Use the summoning icon near your minimap to call your follower and teleport back. If one of your pouches ever degrades, teleport to Edgeville with your Amulet of Glory and make your way through the abyss. There's a summoning obelisk on the way to the nature altar that you can use to recharge your summoning points. The XP rates per hour vary anywhere from 13 to 25k depending on focus. The GP rates per hour vary anywhere from 200k to 450k depending on focus. At 91 runecrafting, you'll be able to craft double nature runes which yield triple the profit. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up, comment, and subscribe.